What's going on, guys? Let's calculate the output resistance of this transistor model. Now here first we are going to draw the equivalent model and then we are going to calculate that. Okay, now let's see how the equivalent model going to look like. The equivalent model of this transistor will look like this. Okay, here we will have a resistor, and this is R1, and this one is R01, and this one connected to the ground, this one connected to the ground, and here we have R output. Now to calculate R output, we are going to use a formula. That is, since these two are parallel, this is going to be R out is equivalent to R01 parallel to R1. So this is going to be multiplication over division, multiplication in the numerator, R01 times R1 plus R1 plus R01. That's equal to R out, and that's going to be the final solution. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn electronics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.